Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm giving a review about this Mountrax back massager that doubles as a neck massager. So if you want to hear all about it and see how it looks in use, just keep watching. So here's how everything arrives. You've got your nice little user guide sitting right on top. And then in here, you've got two different power adapter options. You get your standard like wall outlet option, and you get this car outlet option. And then here is the back massager. It looks so sleek, it's quite lightweight, and it has this leather-like bottom and this super soft, almost mesh-like fabric. Feels very breathable. And it has this nice elastic strap here, so you can easily fit this over chairs, or even around your body. And it's super adjustable, super stretchy. You just press in here on the back and it will snap out. You have a little carry strap, so you could strap this to your bags and very easily take this with you on the go, to the airport, on long car rides, you name it. The little control is built in and attached, so you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. It's always going to be right here for you to quickly and easily grab. It has a really nice control panel, so very clear, large buttons, not too many functions, it's not overcomplicated, so it's gonna be really easy and user-friendly. Everything is so padded and feels so comfortable, so let's try it out. It's a little bit of a stretch here, but it does fit with the strap extended as far as it will go. And it definitely fits the chair really well. Let's turn it on. It automatically sets it on the like low or regular intensity. If you press it again, it will put it on high intensity. Timer goes for either 15 or 25 minutes. And then warm is either low, high, or off. Here it is spinning outwards, and then if we change the direction, it will switch and move inwards. All right, so let's try it out. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be awesome. After a long, hard day, or just simply sitting and relaxing, or even sitting and working, this is gonna be incredible. This is a great way to multitask. And it's not super loud. It's actually really quiet. I can feel the heat. Even on low, it's very nice. It's not overly hot. It's very comfortable. So let's go try it out on like the shoulders and neck, and I'll let you know what I think. Now, my neck is like a little bit too small for this, so it just barely gets my neck, which is totally fine, honestly. I really, really love this on my shoulders. Oh my goodness. Flip this around and have it massage your abdomen. You could have it massage your leg. That's pretty intense. It does feel good. All right, so my final opinion on this is really, it's truly wonderful. I've had a lot of back massagers that just don't really have much pressure behind them. They're either too weak to handle it, or they're more of like a vibration. The warmth isn't there, you name it, and that is not the case for this. This really feels like a true massage. Like, I feel like I could skip a massage therapist and use this. The only issue I ran into was that my neck is just too small, but this, I could still maneuver this around and get it to touch the areas that need it. I personally love this on my shoulders, my low back, and even on my hand. Even just like putting some pressure down on the massage head and letting it spin over like my palm and stuff feels amazing. It's tapered enough that you don't feel like your back drops off if you're laying on top of it. So I mean, everything about this really has impressed me. I will definitely be using it often, and I can only imagine my husband will also. So if you are looking for a very comfortable, easy to use back or neck massager, this is a remarkable choice and I would definitely give it a try.